Welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. New music on the horizon for Kim Nain and Diani. Fast-rising artists, attorney-singer Kim Nain and reggae artist Diani are steadily gaining traction on the local music scene. Kim Nain, whose music transcends traditional genres, has something for everyone on her debut album Deal With It, which features songs like Love You My Way featuring Bugle, Tempted featuring Devin the Doctor, and Marijuana. Speaking at the Sunshine Snacks Sun Mix launch held over the weekend in Chancery Hall, St. Andrew, the singer gave an update on her musical moves.
I released my new album. I'm currently promoting a few singles from the album. At the moment, of course, Marijuana is one of the singles I've been promoting. I released a video for it, and I recently released a video as well with myself and Naomi Cohen. She's my feature on a song called Need Me. So I've released the official video for that. I'll be promoting that for a while, and I will be putting out a few more singles following before I'm ready to release my next compilation. So I have a lot of projects in the works.
Fast-rising reggae artist Diani, who is on a high from his Sumfest debut last year, also performed at the launch and hinted at his upcoming projects.
It's a secret, but it's finished. But we're ready now. We're ready to take on the road now, do some tours, and do the music the right way.
Diani and Kim Nain are among the crop of exciting singers emerging on the local reggae music scene. Savannah venturing behind the lens. Singer, model and actress Savannah, real name Anna Sheree Blake, is flexing her filmmaker muscles for her debut short film, Fear. Savannah is credited as the assistant director for Fear, a short film shot in Jamaica, which discusses the reach of institutionalized racism inside the black male psyche. The trailer for Fear is currently available on Savannah's social media. Savannah maintains that the film is intended to educate, noting that teaching through visual art is a way of reaching people who need that knowledge. The production crew also includes past president of the Jamaica Film and Television Association, Gabriel Blackwood, who joined the team as director of photography, and filmmaker Donisha Prendergast, who enabled a theatre scene to be filmed at the Bob Marley Museum. No stranger to the screen, the Nobody Man singer was the lead actress in the mini-series Losing Patience, released back in 2017. Kiprich goes commercial. Dancehall artist Kiprich's song Assurance has been used in a television commercial for the launch of the new Rogue cordless flat iron. The endorsement deal with US Korean beauty giant Kiss means Kiprich will get a worldwide platform for the track, which promotes female empowerment and self-assurance and serves as a reminder that women should be confident about their image despite society's standards of beauty. Assurance was released on the Natural Bridge Records label back in February. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.